Yes, we sound more cover. I had you have a practice exercises for algebraic expressions, and then with that term, we learned about operations on algebraic expressions. Tiafe, yam practicing here is any my for all algebraic expressions. Yeah. The first question is to identify the components. So as I want to say, you identify algebraic expression components are on. For the expression 5x squared minus 3x plus 7, first question is how many times are there? Into yeah, how many times are there? Senior, many it's we have three terms. This term one, this term two, this term three, right? Good. So you have three terms. Good. Now, what is the coefficient of s squared? You say the coefficient of s squared, then 5, because 5 is multiplying s squared. And I say, what is the constant term? Constant term, your term, I know the acting one variable bianca, and you know 7 is the constant term. Afe, is this a monomial, a binomial, or a trinomial expression? So already the whole expression now, 5x squared minus 3x plus 7, is it a monomial, binomial, or trinomial? Send you di kan no. Answer no, a trinomial. I didn't hear. Because you know, say monomial, just one term of it. 5x squared in kwa, a be a monomial. Say, a be 5x squared minus 3x in kwa, a be a binomial. But this answer plus 7 count this whole expression. You have three times. And that makes it what a trinomial. 1, 2, and 3. Good. You say I also, so I prepare now also we're doing here. By idea. Now let's go on to the second exercise. Into your second exercise, or say identify like terms. And which of the following are like terms? Good. So A, we have 3x, 5x minus 2x. So all this is so A, B, C, immediately, and I like terms, and I say any like terms. So you have to select the like terms. So what's the like term here? We have 3x, 5x minus 2x. Before I see a best selected answer, then you share about like terms. You say it's a like term, so then it should have the same variable or the same power and the same power. So I had them or the same variable x, 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 and you have the same power as 1, 1, 1. Yeah, so we have for 2y squared, 3y, oh, 3y or different power, right? Do the same variable near y, y, but the powers are different. A squared, B, different variables and different powers. Indeed. Like I said, the correct answer is A. That's 3x, 5x, and minus 2x. Good. And here for you we have to add the following. We are moving on to additions on algebraic expression. The first one is to add 3x plus 5 to 2x minus 3. So then we have to group like terms. And I said, like I said, you write one under the other. So you have 3x plus 5x expression and 2x minus 3, right? It's a try to see. Then we group like terms. So you have 3x plus 2x. Then plus 5 minus 3. So 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 5 minus 3. Who's got 5? What the coming sound? 5x minus 2. So that is number 1. Now let's move on to 2. Same procedure now. 4a 4a plus minus 2, right? Then we have 2a minus b plus 5. You want to be a wrong answer. Nice. Right under, as you said, you group like terms. 4a plus 2a plus 3b minus b plus into bracket minus 2 plus 5, right? So 4a plus 2a, we add a coefficient, you get 6a plus 6b, 3b minus b, you get what? 2b plus, the interval plus, let's say, what the cut, 2cd. Now it's got 5cd. You put 3 out, but over 600, I got 3cd, right? So you have 6a plus 2b plus 3. So that's the answer. Good. Now, the next thing is s squared, the next addition. Plus 2. And we have 2s squared minus x plus 1. You write it under, right? Now for a group item, here s squared, s squared. So we can keep it together in one bracket. 2s squared plus 3x minus x plus 2 plus 1. So s squared plus 2s squared. So you can add the coefficients. 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. Then we take the top. S squared. Addition is subtraction. You take key coefficient back up. Plus, we have 3x minus x. Sorry, powers in back. The variable back up. Then you have 3x minus x. So 3x minus x, what do? We subtract. Here it's assumed that we have a coefficient of 1, right? The 3 minus 1, mi 2x plus 2 plus 1, ai 3. Final answer gives us 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. Indeed. And no, and you have for addition. So you say, and let them try, you can also practice. Now, then subtraction. I say subtract 1, 2x plus 3 from 5x plus 7. So see, yeah, take 2x no, aim 5 plus 7, 5x plus 7. They say, yeah, quality way, every way, mudia. Yeah, 5x no, or a big person, a big boss, you're better on face. Then I say subtract minus 2x. You put this one into brackets. So you okay. Plus 3. We change the sign of the second term. So I said, the then you better multiply. It's assume there is 1 here. Do you have it now? Okay, first term here, 5x plus 7. Second term will be minus 2x minus 3. It's any term we are in higher with minus b. The other one said you group them in, we group our like terms, right? So we have 5x minus 2x on brackets plus 7. This is 7, and minus 3. 7 minus 3. So 5x minus 2x. So 5 minus 2. How many are here? 5 minus 2, 3. You have 3x. Then, oh, so you got 7. You got 3. And then you have what? 4. So the answer will give us what? 3x plus 4. Good. So you're going to have 3x plus 4. Yeah, that is correct. The next question is x squared minus 2x plus 1 from. So isn't that from? No, yeah, after from, no should be the plus. Minus 5. X squared minus 2x plus 1, right? So minus, put this one in bracket. So you're going to have the x squared plus x minus 5 minus x squared, because minus will multiply x squared, give us minus x squared. Minus will multiply minus 2x. We have plus 2x. The minus will multiply positive. Minus is very minus near one thing. Sorry, we can see. Like become bro. Nice. So bro, no zoom here. Zan said not a better is up and T. From why? And T. Yeah, baby, good like times. So we're going to have 3x squared minus x squared plus 3x and 2x are like times, right? You come up on 2x I'm going to have plus minus 5 minus 1. So 3x to 3 minus 1 and 2. And you take the x squared plus x plus 2x. Now we are that's going to say 1 plus 3 minus 3. We have 5x back up. We have plus and minus. Minus 5 minus 1. HSA. What they got 5? After sand the car 1. Okay, you got minus 6. So the final answer is going to 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. Intimate one here. It's answer you can. They are not like things. Exercise number 5, we are multiplying into so in the multiplication, the first one is 4x times 3y. They are very simple, and you multiply the coefficients and multiply the variable. 4 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. And s times y, xy, right? Yes, 12xy. Then minus 2a times 5a squared. And also minus 2 times minus 5. Remember, minus 10. Then I have a times a squared. And you say a is raised to the power 1, right? So a times a squared, you're going to have a cubed. So that's it. 1 or on the back above 2. You have a cubed. Nice. Now the next one is 3x times 3x multiplying 2x plus 5. And divided by 3x, we multiply 2x. Good. Now sign I multiply 5. So 3x times 5. 3x times 2x. You multiply the variable, the coefficient by coefficient. You get 6, right? X times x. S squared. Because you add the powers. 1 and then come on. Now you cancel this one. 3x plus 5. 3 times 5 is 15, right? And we add the x to it. Good. So x plus 2, x plus 3, If I wait me the x now multiply in maybe I did 2 now multiply in you can do it like this, x plus 3, like this, plus 2 into brackets, x plus 3. X times x I x squared plus x times 3 3x plus 2 times x I 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. So you can have x squared plus 3x plus 2x 5x plus 6. Good. And now see bit my FOI method, that FOI method now I can't watch them. Where F means F is first, O is outer, I is inner, and L is last, right? That is nice. Nti FYI method no said the can no. It is going to be this x plus 3. The can say out f no first will be x times s that gives us s squared, and the outer will be the outer no a then yeah a x and the 3, right? So x times the 3 that gives us 3x. Then the inner will be the 2 times the x. That is us 2x. And the last will be 2 times 3, right? It should be 6. So we combine everything. You're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So let's give us x squared plus 5x plus 6. In any senior year back on good. The best thing is to follow the FOIL method no, to do another example. So never information. So how do we solve this? There were two forms. So you can just take the first term and use to multiply all the second term in a plus 4 minus 3 into brackets a plus 4, right? into the first term, and idea to one. So 2a will multiply the area of the second term, minus 3 will multiply the area of the second term. Even 2a times a will give us 2a squared plus 2a times 4. Give us what? 8a minus 3a, right? Minus 3 times 4 will give us minus 12. We group like times. So when you have 2a squared plus 8a minus 3a, will make 5a minus 12. So this becomes a final answer. If you want to use the FOIL method, so as you say, FOIL method FOIL. First. Okay, enter any view 2a minus 3 is multiplying a plus 4. So first to first, this is the first and first. So 2a will multiply a. So we're going to have 2a times a. That is have 2a squared, right? And now we are saying outer to outer. So we're going to have 2a times 4. It's equal to 8a, right? And inner is equal to minus 3 times a, which is minus 3a. And then the last is minus 3 times 4. It's minus 12. Right? And you say we have these other expressions. We are going to combine them. We have 2a squared plus 8a minus 3a minus 12. So 2a squared, 8a minus 3a, very 9 plus 5a minus 12. No. So we get the same answer like the previous one. And you're doing multiplication. Hey, the teacher, a common teacher. Now, so teacher, now let's move on to division. Into division, we have 15x divided by 3. Send a kind. In division, we divide the coefficients, right? It's going to have, we are going to have 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 and 5. Then we attach the s to it, right? Into m and 5x. Next thing is 20x squared divided by 4x. So 20x squared divided by 4x. We divide the coefficients. 20 divided by 4, m and 5. Right? And x squared divided by x will be x raised to the power 2 minus 1. You will take x back, but then you're taking powers, you're subtracting powers. So you have x. And 20 divided by 4 minus 5. And that x squared and minus 5x. So you're going to have 5x. Good. Now you're saying a different one. 12x squared plus 8x divided by 4x. How they say they're critical. The whole of this is dividing 4x. Good. It's the same as 12x squared plus 8x. It's the same as all divided by 4x. The 4x need divided by what I say. Then you say 4 no, the coefficient of this 4x. We divide each of the coefficients we have. The 4 way can 1. We divide 12 by 3. We divide by 2. Yeah, we coefficient there. That's already x no this way. X no, I can 1. And it's near kind. If s is, if we are dividing x squared by x, it will be, I know, we cancel with back. We take 1. So we're going to have 3x here. We have 2 here. S divided by x. So you can x divided by x will give us x raised to the power 1 minus 1, which will be x raised to the power 0. It's another 1. What is it? So now our final answer will be 3x plus 2. What you are saying? And I incentive view. Incentive view. Into 12x squared plus 8x. All will divide 4x. So you kind you better use 4, not divided 12 as I divide 8. So 12 divided by 4, 3. 8 divided by 4, 2, right? Internet just say, I had no more than that. I had about 3. I have about 2. In the phone, you'll call you. What I say? I think, yeah, x squared. I can't action on so. And you see, your expression about the reduce about 3x squared plus 2x all over x because 4 in your call. Dismantle. And to say we over 1 into you can the any one be x squared divided by x. You say x squared divided by x will give us x. Add in here. Because it's going to be x squared minus that power, which will be x raised to the power 1, and x raised to the power 1 is x. And as our x, if we have x divided by x, and also remember I want x raised to the power 1 minus 1, which is x raised to the power 0, remember I 1. And is that hand moves out there, a chunk. So now we are going to have our final answer is going to be 3x plus what? 2. Plus 3 we now can 3x, not 2 b. So here we get 3x plus 2. To do simplification and so same. So the idea can we are just going to simplify this with group like terms with a very simple cry. 3x plus 5x 8x, right? Then minus 2 plus 4 on the cap 2 root square 4 sign over balance plus 2. Okay, sure. Into the next one is this. It is 2x plus 3. We just expand 2x plus 3. So use that 2 to multiply x and then 2 to multiply 3. So we're going to have 2x plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. That minus 3 times x. Minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 1. Mi. Positive 1. Right? The group like terms 2x minus 3x plus 6 plus 1. Now see a power. With my 2x plus 6 minus 3x plus 1, right? To give us minus x plus 7. Is that it? Who's got you for the cat three? For the cat one wow. Good. So this one, that's it. Now let's move on to 4a minus 2b plus 3a plus b. You group are like terms. 4a, 3a will come together. Minus 2b plus 5b. Right? So we're going to have 7a plus minus 2b plus this into what? 3b. Good. Then the next thing is our last one. The next thing is x. So x multiplying x plus 2. So x times x will give us x squared plus x times 2 will give us what? 2x plus 3 times x, 3x minus 3 times 1. I guess that's 3. in group like terms, x squared plus 5x minus. So that is the final answer. So thank you very much for your attention. Like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, kindly ask. Thank you for your attention. We meet on the next topic. That will be on linear equations.